If you're designing a luxury kitchen and can't buy gas, or perhaps like the idea of induction, the BlueStar 48-inch range might be your best choice for now. Let's look at the features, starting with the cooktop. The matte black surface is more unique than most brands with traditional glossy glass types. It's more scratch resistant and easier to clean. You also have 6 zones, including 2 bridge zones for larger cookware. You can even griddle. While the average induction burner is 3,700 watts, BlueStar boasts a 7,400 watt cooking zone, which is way faster than any pro gas range, or induction range for that matter. You have 2 electric convection ovens, with one being able to fit an 18 by 26 inch commercial sheet pan, and a total cubic footage of the 2 ovens is 7.1 cubic feet. The 7-inch touchscreen interface is 8 cooking modes with all of the main oven functions you would expect, along with a proof and dehydrate mode. They even have a Sabbath setting and a temperature probe. Range has great features, but also offers over 1,000 colors and 10 metal trims. So you can make your kitchen unique with the BlueStar more than any other brand. Now the cons. If you're comparing against a 48-inch gas professional range, you don't have the same amount of options, like a grill or sous vide on the top, or a steam and speed oven option for ovens. It's just burners and electric ovens like its competitors, of which there are only 2 for now. The Fisher Paykel starts at a similar $15,899, but does have a 20% discount at times for $3,000 less. BlueStar offers greater customization of colors and a more powerful and flexible cooktop. Obviously the least expensive, but is a true European range with a separate boiler and smaller side swing oven doors. There's some great colors, like Piccadilly Red, but only 14 colors, or about 986 less than BlueStar. So BlueStar is the best of the limited selection for 48-inch induction ranges now, until Wolf, Thermo, and Miele introduce theirs in 2026 and beyond. If you like these videos, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. It really helps me feel better about myself.